Here's a video on how to use Google Forms as a quiz where you can have clues shown in their scores. So when they click View Scores, they'll see their hint for their digital breakout clue. So the first thing you'd want to do is name it. And we're going to call this one Superheroes No Grammar. And you want to leave it from untitled form. You want to click up there to title it as well. And you want to make sure you come over here to the settings and you turn this on to making it a quiz. And we want to leave it to immediately after each submission. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then we're going to do our first question. Well, we can do in a form description that says complete the quiz and view your score. And the first question can be and blank shows actions or states of being. And we'll leave it as multiple choice, and we'll let our answers be verb, adverb, noun, adjective, preposition, and that's enough. Then we need to come down a little bit farther and go to our answer key. And this is where, first of all, you want to pick what the answer is. So we're going to go with verb, and then we must click on add answer feedback. And you want to give feedback if it's a correct answer. And this is where you would put in your clue. So for example, I could say, you are right. And our clue will be right. It'll be a directional clue. So we'll save that. And then we can come to this question and go back to edit question, and we can duplicate the question so we don't have to do all the same type all the answers again. And we can say a blank names people, places, things, or ideas. And then you want to scroll down and go to your answer key and pick the correct answer. We're going to let this one be noun. Uncheck that. And we want to edit. We want to edit the feedback. And this time we will say, don't fall down. Don't fall down. And the clue for this would be down. So if we're doing that directional clue, now we have a right direction and a down direction. And we could duplicate that and continue on with more questions for more directions. But when you have all of your questions done with your feedback, then you're going to want to make sure you go to settings. And we would say we're not going to restrict it to Montgomery County users. We are not going to limit one response. We are going to go into the presentation and say, good job, view your score. That will give them the clue one more time after they've submitted to view their score, which is where they will get their feedback, which will be their clues to the answer of the breakout. So once that's all done, then you just have to go to send and go to the chain link. You can shorten it and then copy this link. And that is the link that you will paste to the image in your Google Sites. And then you will go back and add in your up, down, right, left, whatever your directions were, or whatever your clues were to your form or your locked form. And that's it.